How to fix keeps dropping calls on Poco M8. Let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, click power button and volume up button, and you will see restart device. After restart device, go back and you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity options, scroll down and click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, enter your phone pin, click on next. After click on next, click on OK. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on additional settings. After click on additional settings, click on developer option. After click on developer option, scroll down and search media setting from here. You will see click on media DRM settings and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix keeps dropping calls on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.